Welcome back to EMR 6480 Qualitative Research. Today I thought we would talk about the research vocabulary involved in conducting qualitative research, calling this the qualitative what. So research vocabulary can be confusing for beginning researchers, and often in qualitative research, especially, even veteran researchers tend to use terms interchangeably. There are 6 terms I would like to cover today. They are the philosophy versus the paradigm, traditions versus approaches, and methodology versus methods. So when we think about the philosophy versus the paradigms, I like to think of philosophy as the what and the paradigm as the so what. So when we think about philosophy, those are the foundation of theories and beliefs adopted for the research study. That's what drives what we decide to do as researchers for our studies. Creswell and Poth define it as philosophy means the use of abstract ideas and beliefs that inform our research. For the paradigm, those are the positions or orientations that guide and inform our analysis process. So Merriam and Tisdale define that as the qualitative, interpretive, or naturalistic research paradigm defines the methods or techniques most suitable for collecting and analyzing data. The next 2 terms I find tend to be the most confusing in terms of qualitative research because so many people use them interchangeably with each other, and not just with each other, but also with methodology. So here's how I have come to understand and define the subtle differences. An approach is that mode of assigning meaning. At the very highest level in research, approaches are defined as deductive, inductive, or abductive. For this course, we are focusing on qualitative research, so most of our work will be in that inductive zone. Flipping that and thinking about traditions, traditions are those historical underpinnings of qualitative methodology. At their foundations, traditions were formed by either studying human ethology, ecological, or social interactions, holistic assumptions, meaning looking at groups rather than just individuals, cultural knowledge, communication, and symbols. Finally, it is very important to understand the difference between methodology and methods. Methodology is the what of your research and should always come first, right after you have defined your research question. Methods are the how, and they should always come second following your methodology. Methodology refers to that overall research design. It is the theoretical concepts that inform the choice of your methods, or the general principles we adopt to guide using particular methods to inform our research. One way to think about it is that the methodology provides the roadmap for going about doing your research study. Some of the methodologies in qualitative research, and the 5 that we are going to pay particular attention to this semester, are ethnography, phenomenology, grounded theory, case study, and narrative inquiry. Now, the next one is the one that tends to be the most fun, especially for beginning qualitative researchers, and that's your methods. Methods refer to the practices, processes, and tools when conducting a study. It is the techniques to use in order to collect and analyze the right data for answering your research question or problem. It is then followed by the procedures that you will take to systematically collect and analyze your data. These are things like interviews, focus groups, observations, artifacts, documents, and elicitation of techniques. Hopefully, clearing up these 6 words will help you as you move forward into designing your own projects. Don't hesitate to follow up with questions either in the discussion board or in class, or you can always email me. With that, go Broncos!